Okay. Says construct a frequency distribution for the data in table 2.7 using the classes 0.00 to 0.99, 1.00 to 1.99, and so on. So we got our class, and 0.00 to 0.99, 1.0, 1.99. Now, your class width is a difference between two consecutive numbers. Like going from 0.00 to 1.00 is a difference of 1. This is a difference of 1. So with your class width, you can keep adding 1 over and over. And they're having us go to, scroll down, 6. In theory, you'd look for the largest number, and then you wouldn't have to keep going forever. This, I would keep adding 1 over and over. So 1.99 plus 1 is 2.99, plus another 1 is 3.99, 4.99, 5.99, 6.99. Okay. The frequency. What we do is we're going to count how many numbers are between 0.00 and 0.99. And do I not have those numbers anywhere? I guess I don't. There they are. Okay, so between 0 and 0.99. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think that's how many there was. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you cross those off because you wouldn't want to count them twice, put in any other class. And that would give me my frequency. Now I won't go through and do the rest, but you would go through and count how many are in each particular range for the rest too. And we get 26, 11, 13, 3, 1, and 2. Now your question was more about the relative frequency. Well, what I have to do is I have to add these together. So that's 3, 6, 19, 20, 30, 56, 65. Let's go the other way. 35, 45, 46, 49, 59, 62, 63, 64, 65. Okay. Now our relative frequency, we're going to take each of these frequencies and we're going to divide it by this total. So I'll take 9 divided by 65. I'll take 26 divided by 65. I'll take 11 divided by 65. 13 divided by 65. 3 divided by 65. 1 divided by 65. And 2 divided by 65. Now, oftentimes relative frequency is left in decimal form. If they want it in percent, you then need to multiply it times 100. Okay. And you could plug this in your calculator, but since I can't show you my calculator very well, I'm going to do them here. 9, 26, 11, 13, 3, 1, 2. Now let me add these together first. Make sure it gives me what I just said. Yeah, 65. So then I'll take each one of these and divide it by 65. And that would give us our relative frequency. So whatever decimal place you want to round it to. Again, if you want it in percent form, you then take that value and you multiply it times 100. Basically move your decimal point 2 places to the right. And that would give you your relative frequency on that. See here, they leave these in decimal form, which is fine. A lot of times relative frequency is left that way. But that's how you find your relative frequency.